point of citizens' engagement with the political system is through the election process. It is through voting. It is about people exercising their franchise, and we know from the poor voter turnout that we have that people are not sufficiently engaged with the political system. They are apathetic to the political system. We can no longer afford to be apathetic, because it's unfair to accuse government of not delivering when we ourselves are guilty of not exercising our franchise. So it starts with exercising your franchise. It starts with voting.
You know, voting is a right and a duty which we are empowered with. The moment we turn 18 and we go beyond that, I think we're ready to vote. But unfortunately, there are several issues out here. The first big issue is that most people are not registered on the voters list. Some names get deleted. Some names go missing. I don't know how and why, or maybe we know how and why. So if you really look at it, these are key issues. Now the thing is, the first action is get the eligible voter profile of a city together. It should not be at this point of time only 65% of the voters in Bangalore city, eligible voters in Bangalore city, are registered as voters. What about that 35% who are outside of it? So we want to get true blue representative democracy happening. And I think the best way to do it is get people onto the voters list. We have two tasks at BPAC at this point of time. Task 1 is get people onto the voters list. Task 2 is on voting day, get people to go out and vote and not be apathetic and say that, you know, I want to go out to Ooty for a holiday. So I think these are two tasks. Who they vote is a personal right. Who they vote is something nobody must impinge on. And I think these two tasks, if we achieve, if we get 100% of the electorate of Bangalore eligible voter profile onto the voter list, job 1 done. If we get, 100% of them to step out and vote, I think task 2 is done. And I think that's the time when we can say we're a true blue representative democracy.
These youngsters, as soon as they get to the voting age, they say how you get so excited to get your driving license. Here you should be excited that I can go out and vote. So we just hope that the young people come out in big force, and then you can also convince the older. So if your parents don't vote, speak to them, explain why we need to vote. So you can get the kids now to tell the parents and the elders that they need to get out there and vote.
There may be a lot of people who may be cynical about this and say, what does it matter whether I vote or not? I mean, my one vote is not going to make a difference. Yes, it is going to make a difference. If each one said, my vote is not going to make a difference, that's going to be a lot of votes. So each vote is going to make a difference. So it's important that every one of us should go out and vote. It is our right. And it's pointless complaining later that, this person didn't do this wasn't done. After all, we are the ones who have elected the person. So we must make sure that we go and vote, and our every vote counts.
It's important for the youth to come out, because that is the constituency which can create the swing factor. If a large number of young students come out and vote, they are not going to be bought by a sari or a television. They are going to be bought by better infrastructure, by cleaner governance, safety for women, and all of that, which is the agenda for Bangalore.
Well, a normal citizen can collaborate with BPAC by joining us on the web, by registering as a friend of BPAC, coming onto the web, so that you get news from us as to what we are doing, by registering as a voter, by making sure that you go out and vote on May 5th for your elections, looking at the candidates that we endorse, and if you agree, voting for the candidates so that you join with us. And after the elections are over, come and join us and work on some committee we're going to set up in each constituency, but you can get your voice heard. But by just following with us, working with us, making sure that you participate in many programs that we do hope that you can join us and participate.
Let's stand up, make them hear our name. Not going home today. Let's stand up, come on Bangalore. Let's be heard today.